Looking for fast, visible body sculpting results? Meet the Pro Body Freezing Machine, featuring for advanced freezing applicators that combine vacuum, freezing, and infrared technologies. Fast, Comfo treat the body and chin with precision. Large handle 86 centimeters squared to medium handles total 60 centimeters squared. Chin handle 52 centimeters squared. Table hair removal targets all skin tones and hair types. Achieve up to 20 to 25% fat reduction, non-invasive and pain-free. Control with these using a 15.6-inch adjustable touchscreen and 3.5-inch handle displays. They'll too last, with a durable metal frame and smooth-moving wheels. Maximize your spizz potential with safe, effective, and comfortable contouring.